So your website should be the first place your people, your clients come to find contacts and find your socials so that they can contact you. And also, God forbid something, if something happens to your account, let's say your account gets banned or Instagram suspends your account. We all know this is common, especially on Instagram. People's accounts are being closed. You can teach your customers to visit your website and find the latest account that you will have created. Let's say account A gets blocked, gets suspended, and that's the account you had on your Uzanga website. When that account is suspended, you see the next thing you'll do is create account B, right? So the next thing to do is come and update the account on your website, then uh, show it to your customers. Now, and your customers, the next time your customers visit your website, they'll know that this is the latest account that uh, the business has, right? So in this tutorial, we'll show you how to customize the details of your website, and they're mostly displayed over here. So your business's email, phone number, and now your socials. Your socials should appear here. So let's start with your logo. Your logo is supposed to appear here. It's supposed to replace the business name. So what we'll do is we'll come to appearance, then go to business details. So the business name, leave it as it is. For the description, you can copy paste what you put in your bio on your Instagram. Then for my logo, I'm just going to use a test logo. Let's use this one. Then now for your socials. So your socials, you start with adding an account, choose the platform. So let's start with Instagram. For Instagram, the business is called Uzanga Commerce. Then for the link, for your link, you can copy the link from your Instagram profile. So it all depends with the platform you're using. So for Instagram, you can, since I'm using a laptop, you just come and copy the link from your profile, then come and paste it there. Now that's our Instagram. If it's our TikTok, we just add an account, then do the same. We do TikTok, and look at, you can see all the options that are available. So let's get TikTok. Then we'll say Uzanga Commerce. Let's find our TikTok. That's our link. Then we paste it there, right? Then let's confirm everything is okay. If you would prefer, if business, a different number for the business was used, you come and edit it from here. Then you can now save your changes. Now after saving your changes, come back to your website. So if we refresh, let's say, let's do which one? Let's do this one. Changes are not yet appearing. Let's say, which one? Catalog page. Caching makes the changes appear after a while. They'll appear after like 2 minutes. So we need to check from a page that we haven't visited yet. Let's use the cart page. Let's see if the cart page has one. View our cart. No. So let's see. Okay, I can see. So we have our logo, we have our Instagram, we have our TikTok, right? So God forbid if something happens to this account, all you need to do is come and change it. And since your customers will always know your website, they'll always know to come here and check for your latest Instagram account. So that's how you update the logo, the description, and different details for your business on your Uzanga website. So that's how. So thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.